Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. Tasteful, impressive, innovative Odyssey, more than just a minivan. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda is designed with a driver in mind. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.